Hi, today we'll just be going through some exercises on dictionaries to understand them better. So as you can see, here I have four dictionaries with different variants. The first one, which is the MyDict, is just an empty dictionary. It contains no value. So when I print it, you can see that we'll get no value. Here it is. The next dictionary is MyDict 1 and it contains just a basic key value pair. The number is the key, and the apple or the gravity are the values. Moving on to my dict 2, this contains two different types of key value pairs. The first one is a string, which means that the key is also a string and the value is also a string. The other one is an integer, which means that the key is an integer 1 and the value is also an integer, which is 4. The next one and the last variable or dictionary for today is the numbers, the mydict3. It contains a key value pair which has a list as its value and another key value pair which has another tuple, another dictionary as its value. So the list contains of 10, 100 and 1000, just some basic integers, while the name and age key contains a dictionary value is itself. So the dictionary contains John 28, Jack 43 and Joe 31. So what I have tried to do is just basically show their ages. Now let's get to the fun part. Let's try to print these values. You can see here, I'll just, all right, let's get started. So to print in a normal scenario, which is my dict one, we'll just enter the key that we want to get. Secondly, in the my dict 2, it is more or less the same with us entering the name to get the value, which is John in this case. The last one is more interesting. In mydict3, we have two key value pairs, one consisting a list as its value, while another consisting a dictionary as its value. So in the first case, all you have to do is type it in like a normal key value pair and just insert the index of the list. So in this case, I want to print 10. So it is 0, 1, and 2. 0 being 10, 2 being 100, 3 being 1000. So I am supposed to get a 10 value here. Another way to look at it is that you are just getting the numbers key first and then getting the value of its list. Moving on, in the case of a dictionary as a value of a key, what we have to do is enter the key of the primary dictionary, which is name and age in this case, and I'll just enter the different value that we have for the different key value pair living inside this primary dictionary. In this case, I want to get the value of Jack, so I'll get Jack here, and I'm supposed to get 43. Let's try it out. Here we are. So this is this print, which is empty dictionary, and here is our part. So apple is the first output we get from this input, mydict1. John is the second output we get from mydict2, and lastly, 10 and 43 are the values I get from mydict3. You can check that this is what we were supposed to get. Now, understanding some functions or methods that will happen on dictionaries. I'll just comment this one out. Okay, makes us look at it pretty better. So, to edit a value inside a dictionary, which makes it a mydict3 version, we'll just have to input it mydict3, which is the primary dictionary, then the first key, which contains the dictionary, name and age, and then again the key of the value that we want to update, which is Joe in this case. I just want to update Joe age to 35. Maybe we have moved on 4 years from now. Who knows? All right. So we should get the value of 35 when we print this dictionary again. Moving on, when we have to update the age or any key value pair and add it to a dictionary, what we have to do is just write out the key that we want to add and create an equal sign and append the value that we want that key to have. Pretty simple. And to remove a key or a value pair from a dictionary in whole, all we have to do is add the method pop and the key of the key value pair that we want to remove. Easy also. Let's try it out then. So, as you can see, the key value pair 1 apple has been removed. So, that is a successful run. Then we have name equals John and 1 is 4, and we have the added key value pair of age, which is equal to 29. So, successful again. Moving on, the next one is our MyDic 3, which is the most complex yet the most interesting one. So this in this key value pair we had made no different changes, so I think this can be ignored. This is the one that we want to see. So as you can see here, the initial value of Joe's age is 31, but as I have edited it, it is now 35, which is another successful attempt. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned and try to join our next workshop, which is happening tomorrow or Monday. Thanks.